National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated a slow-moving band of heavy rainfall moving onshore from Lake Michigan, producing rainfall rates up to 1 inch in 30 minutes. Areas of previous flooding may again worsen quickly, especially in areas that received heavy rainfall earlier this morning. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, O'Hare Airport, Midway Airport, Cicero, Oak Park, Evanston, Park Ridge, Niles, LaGrange. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flash flood warning